Hello everyone. So welcome to LearnWays. So this side Rahul. I hope you all are doing very well and आपका board exam भी अच्छा जा रहा होगा. So again this new video where we will see the previous year test question paper of the arithmetic progression. Again 2024 to 2022 we will deal with the all the sets of the questions that has came from the arithmetic progression of the grade 10 of CBSE. Okay. So kindly follow this video because we will discuss every question, their steps, how you can solve and how you can follow the step, because step marking is also very important. Okay, and for detail about the arithmetic progression you can check out our description. So there you will get the arithmetic progression full detail video. Okay, along with this some question we have also covered there. Okay, and most important thing, we have posted the MCQ questions of the previous year. Okay, so that also you can follow, so you will get an idea how which type of MCQ question is coming, and follow our Telegram channel. Okay, uh, for a regular updates of our study materials, test papers and everything we are posting there. Okay, and for regular update where you can get an update when our video is coming, or to suggestion and feedback, you can follow our social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, and everywhere our name is LearnWich. Okay, so most welcome if you give the suggestion. Okay, so we will work accordingly, and most important, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends, because if you subscribe we will feel motivated, and also share with the student who is appearing for 2024 to 25 board examination. Okay, so let's start the question papers of the arithmetic progression of 2024 to 22 onward. Okay, now, so now you can see the previous year questions arithmetic progression. Okay, so you have see the first questions. It is saying uh, the first question of 2024. Okay, so first question is saying the ratio of 10th terms to 30th terms of an AP is 1:3. Okay, and the sum of the first six term is 42, means first six term of an AP is 42. Okay, and you have to find the first term and the common difference of an AP. Okay, so which means what are the details you have given, first write that one. So we can say, hey, we have T 10th term, T 10th to T 30th, ratio is given how much, 1:3. Okay, now based on that we can here say, hey, so our T 30th term, T 10 term is equal to how much, you know the general formula, A plus n minus 1 into D, which means you have your first term you don't have given, so you can say here first term is equal to, here first term is equal to A, and common difference you can take, common difference is D. Okay, so based on that you can say first term A plus, and you have to say the 10th term, so n is equal to 10, so 10 minus 1 into D, so you will get the first equation A plus 9D. Okay, same way you can find the T 30th is equal to A plus 30 minus 1 into D, because here n is equal to 30. So how much equation you will get? A plus 29D. Okay, so here you can see you will get two equations. This is your first equation and this is your second equation. Now what you have to do, you have to place the value of T10 and T30 in the ratio, this ratio. So we can place here, so A plus 9D over, yeah, by A plus 29D is equal to 1/3. Hope you have got it. Now after that we will do the cross multiplication. So we can say 3A plus 9D is equal to 1 times A plus 29D. Hope you're getting. Now, based on that, so here you will get what the equation, you can say here 3A plus 27D is equal to A plus 29D. Okay, so now here you can say, so 3A minus A, you can transpose the A from right side to left side. Same way, you can transpose the 27D from left side to right side. So you can say 29D minus 27D. So 2A is equal to how much? 2D. So which means A is equal to D, which means आपके इक्वेशन में फर्स्ट टर्म और कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है? इक्वल है. ठीक है. नाउ अब आपका क्या बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन में? यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन. दे आर सेइंग द फर्स्ट सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट 6 टर्म इज हाउ मच? 42. मतलब आपका फर्स्ट 6 टर्म का कितना सम दिया हुआ है? 42. सो वी कैन से हे हियर सम ऑफ 6 term is equal to 42, and you know the sum formula. Sum formula is Sn is equal to, here we can say n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula you already have seen in the arithmetic progression, the sum of an AP. So here we can substitute. So n is equal to how much you have given? N is equal to 6. So we can substitute here S6 is equal to 6 over 2, and you can see in place of 2a we will substitute 2a, and here in place of n we can say 6 minus 1, and d and a both are equal, so we can say here a. Okay, now after that you have already given 6 term sum is equal to how much? 42, and 6 over 2 you will get 3, and here you can solve. So 2a plus 5d. Okay, now after that you can transpose the 3 from right side to left side by dividing, so you will get how much? 70. Okay, now you can say the equation is, so 42 divided with 3, so how much you will get? 1 and 1, so 14 is equal to 7d. So which means 14 over 7, you can say d. Now after that you can say here, so d is equal to how much you will get? 2, which means a is equal to d and is equal to 2. So which means your first term is also d, as first term is equal to d, so which means first term is equal to 2. Hope you got it. This way you have to solve the first equation. Now coming about next question, it is saying if the sum of first 7 term of an AP is 49, you can see first 7 term of an AP is 40 time, and first 17 term, sum of the first 17 term is 289. So find the sum of first 20th term. So here you have given the two expression, the sum of first 7 term and first 17 term. So we can say, hey, S7 is equal to how much? 49. So same way we can say S7 is equal to 7 over 2, and here same way we will say A is our first term, so we can say 2A plus 7 minus 1 into D, and we don't have given the A and D. So first we have to find the first term and common difference. So we can say here 49 over 7 over 2 is equal to how much you will get? 2A plus 6D. We will get it here. Now after that you can say 49 over 7 over 2. Now you will get how much? 2A plus 6D. Now 7 divided with 49, 7 times, And now you can say, we can write this equation 7 times 2 is equal to how much? 2 you can take a common from right side, so a plus 3d, we will get it. Now this 2 you will bring on the left side, so how much you will get? First equation, a plus 3d. Okay, you can cancel 2 and 2, so how much your first equation you will get? So first equation you will get a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is your first equation. Okay, hope you got it. Now same way it is saying, hey, our sum of 17 term is equal to 289. Okay, same way you can say, hey, S17 is equal to 17 over 2 times 2a plus n is equal to 17, so 17 minus 1 into d. Okay, now same way, how much you have given? 289, 17 term, 289 is equal to you can say 17 over 2, and inside if you solve, so you will get how much? 2a plus 16d. Now from the inside you can take a common of 2, so and you can bring 7 this side, so 289 divided with 17, and here how much you will left? 1 over 2, and you can take common from 2 inside, so you will get a plus 8d. Okay, so now 2 cancel, and here you can see 17 will divided with 289, you will get 17. So your second equation, how much you will get? A plus 8d is equal to 17. Now you can say this is your second equation you got. So this type of question, basically you can say combination of arithmetic progression and pair of linear equation. Now already you know the how to solve the pair of linear equation by substitution method, by elimination method. So same way you can take both the equation. So we can say, hey, our first equation a plus 3d is equal to 7. That is your first equation. And second equation a plus 8d is equal to 17. Okay, now you can apply any method. Okay, and based on that you can solve. So we can say here our first we will take, so we can say a plus 3d is equal to 7. So we can say a is equal to 7 minus 3d, and now we can substitute the value of a in the second equation. So we can say a plus 8d is equal to 17. Now substitute the value of a, so we can say 7 minus 3d plus 8d is equal to 17. Okay, now after that you can solve this one. So how much you will get? Here we will get 7 minus 7 plus 5d is equal to 17. Now you can transpose this 7 to another side, from left side to right side, so it will subtract. So you can say 5d is equal to how much? 17 minus 7, so d you will get 5d is equal to 10. Now you can transpose 5 from the coefficient of d from left side to right side, so it will divide, so 10 over 5, so you will get how much? 2. Now you got the d value is 2. So what you have to do? You have to substitute the d value in any equation. So let me say we will substituting in the same equation, that is a plus 3d is equal to 7. So we can say a plus 3 times 2 is equal to 7. So you can say a is equal to plus 6 is equal to 7. So a value you got how much? A value you got 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So now here you can say you have got the here d value you have got it, as well as a value also you have got it. So now a value you have got it, d value you have got it. Now the question is saying, hey, find the sum of first 20th term. Means first term you have got it 1, d you have got it 2, as well as now you have to find the sum of first 20th term. So we will find the first 20th term sum. So we can say Sn is equal to n over 2 times n over 2, and we can say 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So this is our general formula of sum of an AP. Now here we have getted n is equal to how much we have given 20. A we have given how much 1, and D we have given how much 2. Most important thing, write every single steps properly. So now you can substitute the value here. So we can say 20 over 2, and in place of A you can say 1 plus 20 minus 1 times 2. Okay, so now you can solve this one. So how much you will get? So 20 by 2 you will get 10, and 2 times 1 you will get 2 plus 19 times 2. Hope you getting? Now after that you can say 10, 19 times 2 is how much? You will get 38. Okay, 38 you will get it. So you can say 2 plus 38, 40. So you can say 10 times 40, you will get how much? 400. Okay, so which means sum of first 20th term is equal to 400. Hope you have cleared this one. So these are the two questions have asked for the 2024. Now coming about 2023 question. So again, this is MCQ question. So you can say it is saying if A, B form an AP with common difference D, then the value A minus 2B minus C is equal to, means here it have saying that A and B are form an AP, okay, and where common difference is D. So find the values of this one. So this is very simple. So we can say, hey, A, B and C are in AP, are in AP. So we can say, hey, here we can say common difference is what? D. So we can say D is equal to what? First term plus common difference D, and C is our third term. So we can say our C is A plus 2D. Okay, you can say how we, so you know the AP, how we can find second term? Second term we have finding by the A plus n minus 1 into D. So based on that we are getting this equation. Same way based on the this one you are getting the second equation. Okay, now it is saying you have here question is given. So we can say here 2, here it is already given. Now A minus 2B minus C. So now you can see you have got the value of A, you have got the value of A here. A value already 1, A is the first term, B value you have got it, C value you have got it. Now what you have to do, you have to substitute every value. So we can say A minus 2 times A plus D, and C value is how much? You can say minus A plus 2D. Okay, so now after that you can say A minus 2A minus 2D minus A minus 2D. Now add all the like terms. So you will get A minus 2A minus A and minus A. So you can say minus 2A. Same with minus 2D and minus 2D. You can say minus 4D. So you have options is what? Your option is C. Hope you understand this one. So this is a trick question. Okay. Hope you understand. Now same way this is also a trick question. It is saying if k plus 1, 4k minus 1 and 3k minus 2 are three consecutive terms. Consecutive means continuous term of an AP. So it is saying find the value of k. Okay. So here you can say, when suppose we can say here a1 is equal to, we can say k plus 1, k plus 2, sorry, and a2 we can say is equal to 4k minus 6, and a3 we can say 3k minus 2. Hope you're getting. Now if it is in AP, so their common difference is equal, so we can say, hey, a2 minus a1 is equal to, we can say, a3 minus a2, which means their common difference are equal. So same way we can substitute the value here. So a2 is how much? 4k minus 6, because it is saying already it is in the form of AP. So that's why we are going with. So same way you can say k plus 2 here is equal to a3. a3 is how much? 3k minus 2 and minus a2. a2 is how much? 4k minus 6. And most important, careful about this sign, because most of the student doing the mistake here. So now you can say 4k minus 6 and minus k minus 2, you can say here, and same way you can say 3k minus 2 and minus 4k and plus 6. Hope you're getting this one. Now first solve the LHS, like term you can add, and same with RHS also. So 4k minus k, you will get 3k, and minus 6 and minus 2, you will get minus 8. Same with right side, you can 3k minus 4k, you can get k minus k, and minus 2 plus 6, we will get plus 4. Now bring all the variable at one side. So you can say 3k and plus k is equal to 4 plus 8. So how much we will get? 4k is equal to 12. So now you can say k is equal to 12 over 4. So you will get how? 12 over 4, you will get how much? 3. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. So hope you understand simple way this type of question, and don't you have to spend so much time in the MCQ question, because they have direct based question. So use your tricks and solve. Okay. Now coming about next question, again 2023. It is saying how many terms are there in AP? Was first and fifth terms is minus 14, that is minus 14 is his first term, and 2 is the fifth term respectively, and the last term is 62. So basically here you have given the first term, fifth term, so we can write here, hey, our a1 is equal to how much? Minus 14, and a fifth is given how much? We have given 2, and and we have given how much? 62. We don't know how many terms. Now here it is saying basically how many terms are in their AP. So simple, here they have asking you all the 3 terms is given, and they are asking how many terms is there. So first we can say a1 is equal to 14. Now a5 how we can write here? A5 is equal to, we can say here, a1 plus and minus 1 into d. Okay, so a1 is already given, so and this is 2 is equal to minus 14 plus n is how much? 5 minus 1, we will get d. Okay, now after that you can say 2, you can bring this minus 14 on the other side, it will become plus. Okay, and this side is, you will get 4d. Okay, so 2 plus 14, you will get 16. So d, 4d, you will get it here. Now same way you can say here, so d is equal to how much? You will get 16 over 4. So which means d value you will get 4. So which means your first term you have got it, a1 is equal to minus 14, and d you have got it, that is 4. Now it is saying, hey, find the an term. So we can say, hey, an is equal to, again, a1 plus n minus 1 times d. We can write this equation, general form of an AP. Now here n is given, how much we have given an 62. Okay, and a1 we have given minus 14. Here we can write an is equal to 62. Okay, plus n we have not given, so we will leave the same, n minus 1, and d is given 4. Same way, bring this minus 14 from right side to left side. So 62 plus 14, okay, is equal to, you can say 4n, or you can say directly here n minus 1 times 4. So you can add this one. So this will get 4 plus 2 6 and plus. So 76 is equal to n minus 1 times 4. Now it can bring the 4 from right side to left side. So 76 divided with 4. So n minus 1. So now you can divide. So 76 divided by. So how much you will get here? 1 and 3 6. So 3 6 you will get how much? 9 and minus 1. So you can say 19 and now bring minus 1, so it will become plus. So n is equal to how much? You will get 20. Hope you get it. So here 62 is the 20 term, which means you can say last term is equal to how much? Last term or nth term is equal to 20. Okay, clear? Now coming about next question. Again the next question, 2023, it is saying which term of an AP 65, 61, 57, 53 is the first negative term. Basically you have to find out which term of an AP is the negative term. Okay, their position. So first we can write here 65, 61, 57, 53. So it will keep going on. So we can say, hey, A1 is equal to how much? 65. And A2 is equal to how much? We have given 61. So we can say D is equal to how much? A2 minus A1. So which means you have 61 minus 65. So D you will get how much? Minus 4. So hope this much is clear. Okay, now it is saying we have to find the negative term. Okay, so we can say, hey, let nth term is first negative term, okay. So here we can say, simply an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so we don't know an, okay, which term. So an we can say is equal to, a1 is equal to 65, and we don't know, so we can say n is equal to here same n minus 1, and d is given how much? Minus 4. So if you solve here, so 65 minus 4n plus 4, so which means you will get here 69 minus 4n, we can say. So now we can say we will transpose this minus 4n left side, so we can say 4n is equal to 69. So we can say, so n is equal to 69 over 4. Now I can do the rough, so you can say 69 divided with 4. So you can say 4 1 times remainder quotient, and remainder you will get 2 9. So 9 will come. So now again subtract, so you will get 28. So 28 is coming 7 times. So which means you will get remainder again 1. So again you can put a decimal here. So you will say 2. So 8, and you will get 2, and you can bring 0. So you can say 5 25. Now one thing you can remember, so will any term will come in the fraction or decimal? No. So here we are getting 17 over 25. So which means So you will get here 17.25. So next term 88. Next term can say 88. Okay, so therefore, so you can say here, so 80th term is first negative term, first negative term. Hope you understand this one, because see, fraction or decimals will never define a terms. Okay, so that's why here we have taken the terms, okay, with the next one. Now coming about next question, it is again 2023. The sum of first 15 term of an AP is 750 and the first term is 15, and find the 20th term. So it is like a similar question. So we can say here, hey, A1 is equal to how much? 15. Okay, and the sum of first 15 term of an AP, which means sum of first 15 term, is equal to 750. Okay, and we have to find its 20th term. So we have to find here 20th term. Okay, so first, very simple way, we can say, hey, n is equal to how much? You can say n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now you can say we have not given the common difference, but we have given the n term of the sum, plus sum of the term is also given, plus you have given the first term. So placing the values of a, sum of the 15th term, and n value, we will get a common difference. So we can say here Sn is equal to 750 is equal to 15. So 15 over 2 we can say, and here we can say 2 times a is equal to 15 plus n is given how much? 15 minus 1 times d. We have to find d, then we can able to find the 20th term. Okay, so now here you can say, so 750 times 2 over 15, you can say here. So this one you will get how much? 50 times. Now after that you can say 2 times 15, how much you will get? 30. And here you will get how much? 15 minus 1, so 14d. Hope you getting? So now on the left side, 15 times 2, we can say 100 is equal to 30 minus 14d. Now 13 plus 14d. Now this 30 will come this side. So we can say 30 my 100 minus 30, we will get 14d, which means 70 is equal to 14d. Now after that, transpose 14 to divide 70. So 70 over 14 is equal to d. Okay, now after that you can say here you will get d is equal to 5. Hope you getting clear. Now after that it is saying, hey, you have to find here our 20 term. So we can say, hey, 20 term is equal to how much? We have a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So now you have got a1 is 15. So you can say 15, and n is equal to how much? 20 minus 1, and d is equal to 5. Now solve this one. So you will get how much? 15 plus 19 times 5. So which means you will get here 15 plus 95. So you will get 110. So which means your 8/20th is equal to 110. Hope you have cleared this one. Now again coming about, this is important question, coming this type of question a lot of times. So make sure you will not miss. So question first read. It is saying Rohan repay his total loan of 1,18,000 by paying every month starting with the first installment of 1,000 rupees. If he increased the installment by 100 rupees every month, what amount will be paid by him in the 30th installment? and what amount of loan he paid after 30th, what amount of loan he paid after 30th installment. So first understand the question. Simple, it is saying Rohan is a person who is taking the 1,18,000 loan. Okay, and his first installment is how much? 1,000 rupees. But condition is that first month if he paying the 1,000 rupees, next month he will pay 1,100 rupees, because every month his installment will increasing by 100 rupees. So which means this 100 is what? Your common difference, and the first term is what? You have 1,000 rupees. Same way, third month again 100 rupees will increase, fourth month again 100 rupees will increase. So here it is saying what amount he will paid him for the 30th installment. So first we have to find here, first we will say A1 is equal to 1,000, and D you have given how much? 100. Okay, and we have to find basically A30th. A30th we have to find here. So very question is bigger but you can see the solution is very small. Okay, so this type of question they will change with the other type and they will give you. So don't confuse with the question. So first we will say, hey, A30th is equal to, we can say A1 plus n is equal to how much? 30. So 30 minus 1 into D. Okay, so it is saying here A30 is equal to A1 is equal to 1,000 plus 29 times D. D is 100. So which means 1,000 plus how much? 2,009. So in 30th month, how much he will pay? 3,900 installment. Means in 30th month, he will pay the 3,900 installment. Hope it's clear. Okay. Now it is saying what amount loan he paid on the 30th. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? 30th इंस्टॉलमेंट तक उसने कितना लोन पे कर दिया. तो अब देखो 30th इंस्टॉल, तो यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है? सम ऑफ फर्स्ट से लेके 30th टर्म तक का हमारा सम निकालना है. सो अगेन वी कैन से हे A1 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 1,000, and we can say A30th is equal to 3,900. Okay, now after that we can say here, so we can say S30 is equal to what? We can say n over 2 times A1 plus A30th. Okay, so here n is equal to how much? 30 over 2, and A1 is equal to how much? 1,000 plus 3,900. Okay, so here you can say this one you will get 15, and inside you will get how much? 15 times 4,900. So now you can multiply with the 4,900 with the 15. Now you can multiply. So after multiplying 15 times 4,900, so you will get how much? 7,300, 73,500. Now question it is saying, hey, how much amount he has, what amount of loan he paid after 30th installment. मतलब what amount of loan he have to pay after 30th installment. So we can say, hey, total loan amount. So we can say total loan amount. The total loan amount is 1,18,000. Okay, and loan paid up to 30th installment, loan paid up to 30th installment. So that is how much? Rupees 7,350. So now we can say after 30th installment how much pay? After 30th installment installment. Okay, so we can say rupees 1,18,000 minus 73,500. Now you can subtract this two. So you will get here, which means rupees 44,500 amount is left that he have to pay after 30th installment. Hope this one is clear. Now coming about this one again, like a first 2024 first question, similar type. It is saying the ratio of 11 terms to 18 terms of AP is 2:3. Find the ratio of fifth terms to 21st term. Also the ratio of the sum of first 5 terms and to the sum of first 28 term. Okay, so this is coming a bigger question. So first see, it is similar to the like, so same way we can say, hey, A11 over A18 is equal to given how much? 2:3. Okay, it is saying the 11 term to 18 term. So 11 is will come numerator and 18 will come denominator. Now same way we can find A11 is equal to A plus N. N is 11 minus 1D. So how much you will get? A plus 10D. Same way A18 is equal to how much? A plus 18 minus 1 times D. So you will get how much? A plus 17D. Okay, now substitute both the values on this here. So you can say A plus 10D over A plus 17D is equal to 2:3. Now do the cross multiplication. So you can say 3 times A plus 10D is equal to 2 times A plus 17D. Hope you getting? Now after that you can solve this one. So you can say 3A plus 30D is equal to 2A plus 34D. Now again same way, bring all the A value one side and D value at once. Say here 3A minus 2A is equal to 34D minus 30D. So which means A is equal to, you can say 4D. So which means here A is equal to 4D, you will get it here. Now after that it is saying, hey, find the ratio of fifth terms and 21st term. So same way here we can find fifth term and 20th first term. So here first one, A fifth. A fifth is equal to how much? A plus 5 minus 1D. So which one is equal to? A plus 4D. Now in place of A, can we put a 4D because both are equal? So you will get 4D plus 4D. So you will get 8D. Okay. Same with here, A 20th one term is equal to A plus 21 minus 1 times D. So you will get how much? A plus 20th D. Now again in place of A, we will substitute the 4D because both are equal. So 4D plus 20th D, okay, is equal to how much? 24D. Hope this much is clear. Now it is saying sum of ratio. So terms. So A fifth over A21. So we can say 8D over 24D. So D get cancelled and this is 2 and this one you will get 6. This is 1, this you will get 3. So you will get ratio 1:3. Okay. Now, so this much is clear. Now it is saying, hey, find the sum of the terms. Okay. So now it is saying find the sum of the first 5 terms to the sum of the first 21st term. Okay, so this is also same way. Let's do here. So here you can say sum of first 5 terms. So S5 is equal to 5 over 2 times 2a plus 5 minus 1 over d, which means you will get how much here? 5 over 2 times 2a plus 4d. Now again, in place of here 2a, you can substitute the 4a 4d, so you can say 5 over 2 times 2 times 4d plus 4d. Okay, so you will get how much here? 5 over 2 times, so this one 8d plus 12d, so 12d, so you can cancel this one, so you will get the sum of first 5 terms is 30d. Same way we can find the 20th one term. So here we can find the first 20th term. So same way as 21 term is equal to 21 over 2 times 2a plus 21 minus 1 times d. Okay, so you will get how much? 21 over 2, and this one you will get 2a plus 20th d. Okay, now again substitute in the place of a 4d. So we can substitute here. So we can say 21 over 2 and 2 times 4d plus 20d. So how much you will get here? So you will get here 2 times 4d, 28. So 21 over 2 times 28d. Now again this will cancel, so you will get 14 here. Now again this 14 will multiply with 21, so you will get how much? 294d. Hope it getting clear. Now it is saying ratio, so let's say ratio of S5 over S21. So you can say S5 is, you have got it how much? You can see ratio of first 30d over 294. So 30d over 294. Okay, d. So this get cancelled. Now you can see any common factors between these two. So this one will 24 and we will get 5. So both are a factor of 6. So this one you will get 5 and this one you will get here 49. So we can say ratio is equal to 5 is to 49. Hope it's clear. Question is easy, but they have turned it. They have given the sum. You have to find with the sums. With the terms, you can first find the ratio of the A5 and is to A20. Then after that, you have to find the sum of S5 over S21. Okay, it's clear. Now, coming about next question, it is saying 250 logs are stacked in the following manner. You can say this is a following manner is stacks 22 logs in a bottom and are 22 logs in the bottom row, 21 logs in the next. So you can say the first logs there is a 22, then second one you will get 21, then next 20, then next 19, like that you have getting arranged. So that way how many logs are arranged? Total 250 logs are arranged. So it is saying how many logs are there in the top row. Basically if you arranging like this, so you have getting the first log 22, 21, 19, 18, 17, 16. So at which log you will get one log. Okay, so let me here basically they have saying you have AP, we can say our AP is equal to here 22, 21, 20th, 90th, 80th, and it will go up to nth term. Okay, so based on that, we can say A1 is equal to how much? 22. And D is equal to how much you will get? A2 minus A1. So A2 is equal to how much? 21 minus 22. So you will get minus 1. And it is, you have given Sn, means given 250. Okay, clear? So basically here we have to find the n. So we can say, hey, Sn is equal to n over 2, oh, bracket 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so okay, now do the cross multiplication. So we will get 250 times 2 over n is equal to 44 and 44 minus n plus 1. So you will get here how much? Here you can say, so 500 over n is equal to 45 minus n. Now do the cross multiplication. So you will get 500 is equal to 45 minus n over n. So after cross multiplication, so 500 is equal to 45 n minus n square. Okay, now bring all the terms at one side. So you can say n square minus 45 and plus 500. Now again here you can see you will get a quadratic equation. So again by the help of quadratic equation you can factorize. Middle term is splitting. So middle term is splitting based on the coefficient of n square and constant term. So I'm going directly. So n square, here you can say minus 25 and minus 20 and plus 500 is equal to 0. So n you can take common. So you will get n minus 25. Same with, you can take minus 20 common. So you will get n minus 25 is equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 20 and n minus 25 is equal to 0. So here you can say n minus 20 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 20, and same way you can say n minus 25 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 25. So now you can see you have got here two value. One is 20th, one is 25. Okay, now question is that which one we will take here. So you can see total logs here arrange how much? 22 logs arrange. Okay, so we can't take this 25, so not possible. Here we can write. Okay, now it is asking at last an how much. So we have got an. So based on that we can say an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a1 is given 22 plus n is given 20th minus 1 times minus 1. So you will get how much? 22 plus 19 times minus 1. So you will get 22 minus 19. So which means last logs you have a 3 blocks. Hope you understand. Now this way you have to solve. Now coming with next question again, MCQ. It is saying the next term of an AP root 7, root 28, root 63. It is very easy. Again, first you can say you have to find here the next fourth term. Okay, and it is already given in AP. So we can say, hey, A1 is equal to root 7 and D is equal to how much? A2 minus A1. So A2 is equal to how much? Root 28 minus root 7. Okay, we can say here, and now here you already know A4 is equal to how much? A1 plus 4 minus 1 times D. We can say, so A1 is equal to what? Root 7 and here many people will live here, it is same way. So see how you can solve. First you can do 28 prime factorization. So 2, 14, 2, 7. So you can say 2 root 7 minus root 7, which means how much you will getting here? Root 7. So plus 3 times, so d is equal to root 7. So 3 times root 7. So how much you will get here? This one you get root 3 plus 3 times root 7. So which means you will get 4 root 7. So which means you have got it 4 inside in a pair plus root 7. So which means here you will get how much? 4 root 4. You will get 16 plus 7. So 16 table 7 times you will get how much? 112. So square root 112. So option D. Hope it's clear. Now coming about next question 2022. So again it is saying find A and B so that A 7 B comma 23 are in AP. So you can say here A, you have AP is given A 7 B comma 23. So we can say here common difference. So this you can say here A1 is equal to A, A2 is equal to how much you have given? 7, and A3 you have given how much? B, and A3 is given how much? 23. So A4. So we can say it is in AP. So we can say there can say common difference are same. Common difference are same. So here we can say uh, A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. So how much you have? A3. A3 is given B and A2 is given 7. And A4 is given how much? 23, and A3 is given B. So you can bring all the B one time, one place. So B plus B is equal to 23 plus 7. So B is 2B is equal to how much? 30. So B is equal to how much you got? 15. So which means your first term B value you have got it. Now taking first and second term. First and second term we can take. So we can say here 7 minus A is equal to here B minus 7. We can say now you got the B value. B value is got how much? 15. So 15 you can substitute 15 minus 7, and you can say 7 minus A is equal to 8. Now bring the 8 one side. So 7 minus 8 is equal to A. So A is equal to how much you will get? Minus 1. So hope you understand this one. So your B value is 15. Here you can say A value is equal to minus 1 and B value is equal to 15. Hope it's clear. Second question it is saying find the number of terms of an AP. First term 293, second term 285, third term 277, and it is go up to 53. So first we can say hey A1 is equal to how much? 293. Same way we can say D is equal to how much? We can say 285, which means 285 is your A2 term. So 285, so A2 minus A1, so 293. So how much you will get here? Minus 8. Now it is saying find the number of terms of 53. So we have got A, we have got D. So we can say hey AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D. So AN is given 53 and A is given how much? 293 plus N is given how much? You don't have given. N minus 1 times and D is given minus 8. So you can say 53 is equal to 293 and you can multiply here plus N minus 1 times minus 8. Now you can bring 293 on the left side. So you will get 53 minus 293, okay, is equal to N minus 1 times minus 8. So we will get here subtraction of minus 240 is equal to N minus 1 times minus 8. Okay. Now minus 8 will come this side, divide 240. So divide minus 8. So you will get N minus 1. So we will get here 3, 3, 0, 30. So 30 is equal to N minus 1. So 30 plus 1 is equal to N. So 31 is equal to N. Hope it's clear. Now same way, last question of 2022, determine an AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Again similar question. So we can say, hey, A third is equal to 5 and A seventh is equal to what? 9. Simple, you have to use the linear equation method to solve. So we can say, hey, first term is equal to, first term we can say A, and common difference we can say here, common difference we can say D. Okay, so based on that we can say A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 times D. So how much you will get equation? So you will get A here 5 is equal to A plus 2D. This is your first equation. Now same way A7 we will get how much? A plus 7 minus 1 times D. So A7 is given how much? 9. So now you can solve this one, you get A plus 6D. Okay. So now after that you got this one is your second equation. Okay. Now you can use your method like substitution, elimination method, and you can find the AP. Okay. So hope I'm writing here AP. So you will get here. So AP you will get here. D value you will get here. A is equal to 3 you will get, and D you will get here 1. Okay. So which means AP you will get 3, 4, 4. After that you can say 5. Okay, you will get 6 like that. Okay, so you can solve this question. Okay, because we have already done this type of lot of question. Okay, so I hope you understand all this thing about the linear equation and everything. Okay, and also most important, arithmetic progression, all the questions we have done. So arithmetic progression, you will get a combination of quadratic equation also as well as linear equation also. So make sure you can do properly. And first thing, don't skip these steps. Okay, clear? So kindly follow our channels for regular updates also of our all the videos, and please provide your supports of subscribing this our channels and likes and share with your friends. And also you can see our Facebook link, Instagram link you can see, and also x.com. So share and follow that one for regular updates of video, and this notes about this 3-year question paper solution you will get on the our Telegram channel. Okay, so have a good day and all the best for math examination, and we will bring you some more topics previous year solution. So be update on our social media, so you will get all the regular updates. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.